Hi, welcome to all. So in my past video I showed you the integer literal and float literal. Now we are going to create the string literal. As I showed you the literals in my past video, see, okay, these are the literals. Int literals, float literals, string literals, boolean literals and collection literals. All the literals that we are going to see right now. String literals. So here s is equal to SRI some yeah, okay, South Asia. South Asia. And now what I'm going to see is I'm going to print it. Print S. And here I'm going to see print. In the same window we can type. Yeah, just run it. South Asia, and it is the class str. And now we are going to see Boolean. Okay. Boolean literal sum. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20 and C is equal to A greater than B. Okay, print C and print type of C. Just run it. See here, C is equal to A greater than B. A is 10. 10 is not greater than 20. B is equal to 20. 10 is not greater than 20. So it is false. So in the C, the value stored is false. And printing C it is false value, and it is the class of Boolean. Now what is the next one is collection literals. So let me show you the collection literals in the form of list. Okay, collection literal, that is some L is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and then comma 2 comma 3 and then some 78.987 comma single character S and string Hyderabad, and I'm closing this. Okay, and I'm printing the same, print L and print type of L. Yeah, check it. See here, uh, list is one kind of the data structure which holds the values of integers, float, character, and as well as a string. So multi-collection it is. So I'm printing it, and it is a class of list. So these are called the collection literals. What is the meaning of collection literals? Having multiple type of collection of data types, that is called as collection literals. Okay, so like this we can display, we can sorry like this we can work with various kinds of the literals. Those literals are nothing but your integer, float, string, boolean, and as well as collection literals. So type is okay. Now what I'm going to see is id. Okay, so let us see here id of a. Let us see here what happened. A is equal to 10 and id of a. So id of a is unique object identifier. So it is a numerical value. It is uniquely given to this. Okay, and here also I am giving the id of a. Let us check what kind of the value it shows. Id of a. I am just running this. See here the id has changed here. Okay, in this way, in this particular cell the id has changed. Okay, and now we are going to see the id of another variable, that is string. So I am showing you id of s. Let us check what it's showing. So it is showing the s value, s unique object identifier, and then uh, id of A, id of B, id of C. So it's capital C. Sorry, by mistake. Now we will run this. It is only showing id of A. Okay. id of B, id of C. Let us check. Yeah, it is showing only one id. Which one it is showing? Let us check. Okay, it is only showing id of A. Okay, we'll cut this and we will run with another one. Control V. Yeah, id of B, this one, and then id of C, this one. Yeah, like this we can see the id. Here we can type the id of L. That is the id of L. Like that, there is two different parts are there, id and type, which is going to show you the unique identifier and as well as the data type of that particular variable, whatever we have created. So this is the way to print literals and as well as printing the type and as well as unique identifiers. And now I'm going to show you how to use a print statement. Some uh, mm, yeah, I equal to input, print I, check 3 4. Sorry, it's not, we have to change the kernel.